Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I didn't post for like the past 2-3 days just because I was grinding in Southwest Florida. Thank you if you're watching this, and I'm just going to be reviewing all my cars with you guys, telling you some stuff about my cars. That's pretty much it, and showing you all the cars I have. So first, Challenger Bad Cat. And this is it right here. The top speed, I forgot, it might be 218. Might be. I could go test it right now, matter of fact. I spent like a lot of money using all my cars. Not a lot, alright. Alright, guys, let's see how fast this car goes. Probably just top speed. I know this for sure is 200, but I'm trying to turn as the distance is. 212 is that Challenger's top speed. I have 3 supercars. These 3. I'll test out the Mercedes first. This is all maxed out. Everything on all my cars are maxed out. This definitely goes faster than the Challenger for sure. Last one was 211. Dang it, 209. Alright, this is also maxed out. Then my Nissan GTR. Write down in the comments if you guys like this body kit and the color, carbon fiber hood, and the rims, by the way. And let's see. Alright. Whoa. Why is it not letting me go? This one, for sure, I think it's 218 max. It is a supercar. I can tell when we get 200, it moves faster than the car. We move past the Mercedes. 215. Oh yeah. Oh no, with the body kit, it goes like 5 miles per hour. Like 3 miles per hour. I got this car for the looks, not gonna lie. 215 max on GTR. Rate the body kit actually. Just don't mind just sitting on the car. Alright, and then my Porsche, my favorite car. I got this green on it. This goes 220. Up to 220, then when like gear shifts, it goes down 218. All the other times I've been racing this car, the max is 220. I don't know what happened. I already showed you guys the Challenger. Last car, actually no, I'm gonna show the default car first. If you don't know, the default car is actually so OP. Look, I'm gonna try to guess in the comments real quick below what's the fast top speed. Just guess. This thing's fast. Faster than my Porsche. Dude, it's like 3,000 pounds. We'll head to 36. on this, the starter car, out of everything. And then, so this truck, I don't know, I saw this in real life. I saw this type of truck at the freeway. You know, I was like, I'm recreating that in Southwest Florida. But it was like a pink color. Which color should I do my truck or any of my cars? Comment down below. It's all told me now. 110 is the top speed. I'm not gonna even bother going there to reach this max. And I believe that's all my cars right now. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go to the dealership. And that concludes today's video. See ya, everybody. See you tomorrow with the new Southwest Florida video. Bye.